a cleaner.
Go. What is up, darlings, and welcome back to Kirsties'Karz. Although lately it doesn't seem like it's my cars, it seems like Kirstie's junk back here, and that's what I'm going to try and fix today. I am going to tackle my junk problem. I have been procrastinating on this for so long now, so I want to take back control of my life and my dang shop and get my space back, you know? That's the plan for this first minute of this video. I'm going to throw you guys on a hyperlapse and I'm just going to tackle this. Although out of the hyperlapse, it's probably going to take me a couple hours. We won't talk about that. I'll just make it short, sweet, and simple for you guys. You get the gist. I'll have my shop back and then we'll tackle something else. That's the plan for today. Heck yeah, you guys rock. Let's go. It's definitely a tight squeeze, but I'm gonna move, I'm gonna move the L out of here so that I have more room to deal with all that. Yeah. For those of you that are new to my channel, this is my 1971 El Camino. It's got a 383 in it and it's 4-speed. My dad left it to me when he passed away. It holds all of his vibes and I like to keep it that way.
I need a cleaner.
This car is so fun. I freaking miss my dad, man. Of course, pull it out, I get some space. I'm like, yeah, great, I'm gonna tackle this. Bam. The rain is coming. Great. Well, hopefully this is a way to get rid of stuff. Free! Take my junk, please! I don't even know what to do. I literally downgraded all that garage sale stuff to that. Oh my goodness. I feel really freaking good about it. I feel like I have a lot of extra room now. Just gotta get rid of this tool table that I got going on right here. All this stuff, I'm gonna find room to hide up somewhere. Get rid of it. But yeah, don't look at that. And don't look at that, but see, if that was gone, it'd be perfect, right? I almost gave up on that so many times. It is progressively getting hotter and hotter out here, so, oh my gosh. I'm gonna go inside and take a little cool down break, and then we're gonna get rolling on something on this Nova. In most cases, I can just get my little helpers to help me. But in the times where something could kill me if it falls on me or crush my fingers in these types of situations, Dan's the man I call. He's the father of my 2 kiddos, we co-parent like it's nobody's business, and he's just an awesome all-around guy. Thank you again for your help, man. I appreciate you. Oh my goodness. Sweaty freaking mess. It's alright. It's okay. Alright, so this is the final piece. The final piece of it all. Alright. And I've avoided this piece because it is obviously the worst piece. Yeah. But I'm kind of at the point where I just don't care anymore, so I am going to do like a little Mad Max style patch. I kind of got it a little bit aimed out on where I would like it to be. As long as I kill all the rust underneath, I feel like it'll be okay, you know, for short term. Until I could just get a new fender. Those things are pricey nowadays, so you gotta work with what you got. So let's see what we can do. I was just cutting off some of the old rusted pieces, and this big chunk of old Bondo came out. Look, this was like hanging over the side like this. That's pretty funny. But yeah. Surprises, surprises. I didn't even notice that, honestly, so pretty good job if I say so myself. I mean, it kind of blended. Okay, just going to sand down, and then we'll paint over with some rust killer stuff. Make sure that stops growing, or at least try. It really doesn't matter because I'm gonna replace it soon enough, you know? But it's just ticking me off. I want to get the car completely put back together. Do you guys see this right now? Do you see what I see? Oh my gosh. Yes. I got the hatch door put back on. Found the pins, which I meticulously saved everything in baggies, thank goodness, because it was labeled and it told me exactly what it was, you know? And that's kind of why I did this. Literally everything is a bag or a label. And even these ones, man, when I was real poor pulling this apart a couple years ago. Look at my Christmas baggies. What does that say? Passenger rear light. What the hell? Grill. Glove box and dash. Hood hinges. Mirrors. All of these are labeled per panels. Even these ones have labels and proper, you know, coding. But it's also, I rip it apart every time I'm looking for something, so it's slowly gotten to be more of a disaster over there. I'm gonna start rocking these hats. Not just for good looks, but because my hair keeps getting caught in the dang mask, okay? Keeps ripping my hair out. So, figure I'll try one of these bad boys, see how it does me. Let's go. Okay, I just want to say, it may look funky, but this is like absolute protection from everything. There definitely might be a couple spots that I need to put some filler in. Right here. And where is the other? Right here. Just little spots though. The car has gotten to the point for me where it is not going to be a show car. It is not going to be some top dollar drag car. It's just gonna be my car, and it's gonna be beautiful. But right now, I just want to get this freaking car on the road. So, alright, I look like a wreck. but this is real life stuff, people. This isn't no beauty competition. Sunflower chicken. Ah, you guys want to see how big they're getting? Boom, bam. Look. That's at least 10 feet tall. Isn't that crazy? Got little ones blooming. These ones are taking off. There's a lot of bulbs coming. These ones are kind of struggling, but they get the less sun than everybody else, so. These ones are just like, hello. I am going to hit it again. Then I'm gonna get going on my patch. Maybe the Bondo, I don't know. We'll see. Sun's going down. What does that mean? It means we keep going. Alright? I just keep coming over here and I'm just like, wow, this looks so different. Heck yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about. You know? I got a lot of conflict to it. But I'm still not there. I notched out and mapped out my piece, and it should match up perfectly to align with this notch. That is the plan. Doesn't this just look so cool? I think she is ready for primer. Alright, it's like 11 o'clock at night. I've literally been going all freaking day out here. Got my little Mad Maxi patch made. Heck yeah. I mean, it's not too shabby. You know, and if I get better at metalwork in life, you know, it'll get better. But for my first time ever, I mean, it could be a lot worse. You know, I did my absolute best with a pair of snips, a little piece of metal, and some rivets. And now I can just prime over this bad boy. You know, without there being a gaping rust hole in the front. And it's a story to tell. Eventually, I will get a new fender and just replace this one in general, but I do not have the funds for that right now, and that's kind of what the channel is about, is just making do with what you have. So, I'm thoroughly proud of myself. Even though it looks like crap probably to all of you like super cool bodywork, metal worker guys. For me, first time, not too shabby. And yes, I did find a couple low spots. I did. At this point, with this freaking fender, I already know I'm gonna replace it eventually, so I'm not really gonna worry about it. I'm not gonna worry about it. Not gonna do filler, just gonna prime it, see what it looks like. Why not? Just do it. It's getting late. I don't have time to do Bondo and then wait, so I'm just gonna prime it. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, it's not perfect, obviously, but a lot better than it was. Okay, check this out. Check this out. Can still see that dent. Yep, but I really don't care. It's right next to a freaking Mad Max patch, you know? Who freaking cares? Not me. Not right now, at least, because it's late. And this one, too. Those are the only two little spots. Everything else on this bad boy is pristine. So, I mean, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what I'm going to do with that. But, either way, every time I get better at this every single time. Every single time it's easier. Oh my gosh. Alright. Like, seriously, not a single freaking flaw on this side. Not one. Freaking flawless. Like, dude, just like beautiful. Freaking prime job, man. Like, literally, that was cut with snips. All this was cut with snips. Freaking snips, people. Judge me not, you know? Judge me not. And then it just hit it with a hammer, kind of like rounded the edges, you know? Could be better, could be worse. For a single day's work, man, took it from rust to riches. Well, maybe not riches, but took it from rust to middle class. You know what I mean? I don't know. It's not bad, not too shabby at all. So, anyways, piece by piece, we got the hatch door on. Oh, it looks so good. Oh my gosh. Okay. But yeah, we got the hatch door on. That feels freaking amazing to have on. I mean, I can't even explain how long I've been like just staring at that thing off the car, you know? So to see it on there kind of gives you like this vibe, like it's all done almost, you know? But it's fun to like puzzle piece this all back together. I think that has been the funnest part, is like seeing all the like crappy rescue pieces turn into something quality. You know what I mean? Or quality in my standards. Can't say that enough. Alright? Just depends on how fancy you're going with things, you know? And I'm not going fancy. Obviously with El Camino, we like things to look rugged. You know? We like the Mad Max vibe. Totally putting part of my dad into this Nova too, because that really was part of the dream. So I'm not gonna worry about it, because Dad never did, you know? It looks great to me. I love it. I think I did great for my first time ever doing that. You know what I mean? Screw it. I seriously can't thank you all enough for joining me. It has been a day and a half, but I'm gonna get back out here and do some more as soon as I freaking can. I'm gonna get this chassis ripped apart and get it all ready to get put back together on the new chassis. Yeah, everything's just gonna go piece by piece back together. So heck yeah, I have a plan, I have goals. This week, I'm gonna bust them out. It is time. Heck yeah. Thank you guys again for joining me. I will catch you around soon.